So here's the new RV Wi-Fi 5G just released. I'm going to have a look at what is in the box. Okay, so when you get your box, you'll have a SIM card and you'll also have a quick start guide. Now this is just a get started guide. The full user manual is located on the QR code on the front of each of the routers. So in the box you get your router. As you can see, there are more antenna ports. So you've got 4 at the sides, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. In the box is also your 12 volt power cord, and then you have, for an internal installation, you have 4 4G, 5G stick antennas, and you have 4 Wi-Fi antennas. So, and they're all like the 4G model, they're all male-female orientated. So the Wi-Fi antennas are female and the 4G, 5G antennas have a male SMA adapter on them. There's also a mounting bracket for the router and screws, and that just goes onto the end here. And there's holes on either end to mount the router. Different from the previous model, there you have quite clear, easy access to your SIM card slot. Obviously, this is where your Wi-Fi antennas go on, so they only poke out a little bit. And then you've got your power buttons up here, your power button, your LAN ports and your WAN port. And your reset button is located in the middle of the SIM card slot. Nice, easy accessibility to your control panel here.